Hello everyone, this is Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy, and today we're gonna continue learning how to use the money on chain protocol. And this time, in the last video we've seen how to mint DoC. So we use our Bitcoin to create $2 worth of DoC, and today we're gonna basically do the opposite. How do I redeem my DoC back into Bitcoin? It's pretty much the same process as before. It's very, very simple, very easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on the side menu. We're going to go to the token list, DoC token, click over there. And so last time what we did was put here how many DoC we wanted, but now we want to do the opposite. So we're going to click where you see RBTC and you see this little green arrow. We're going to click here. And we're going to choose DoC. This is going to swap the function, and now we are exchanging DoC and we are receiving BTC. Okay, if we do this back again, now we are exchanging BTC and we are receiving DoC. So do, and then we're going to click add total available because I want to transfer all my DoC into Bitcoin. Now, if you want to do less than the total amount, you can just delete this and put like 1.5 or whatever you want. For this tutorial, I want to do all of it. And once again, we can choose to pay the fee with the mock tokens or pay the fee with RBTC. Remember that RBTC is, you end up paying slightly more. If you have the mock tokens, you're gonna pay slightly less. So I'm gonna use my mock tokens because I want to pay less. All right, let's redeem and continue. We're gonna be prompted to sign the transaction in our wallet, and all we need to do is just click confirm. And now we just need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Again, the block time in Rootstock, it's pretty fast, so we shouldn't be waiting too long. And there you have it. The operation has been successful, and now we click close. We can see that the DoC amount has gone down to 0, and our BTC stands now higher. So if we go back to home, we can see in our little wallet section that now we have more RBTC than before, and we have 0 DoC. So that's it. Anytime you want to redeem your DoC back into Bitcoin, you just go to DoC token, switch it to DoC, put how much you want, select how you want to pay for the fees, click redeem, and you're done. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions or anything, let me know, either in the comment section if you're watching this on YouTube or any other social media, or if you are in the Academy, use the feed function. If you haven't checked the Academy yet, I recommend you do so because that's where we are storing all our library of guides and tutorials, not just for money on chain, but to all the Rootstock ecosystem, and we're slowly starting to move to extend from Rootstock into other Bitcoin ecosystems as well, all in search for technologies that allow us to become more independent. All right, I'll see you in the next one, and thank you for joining me.